So, for Taiwan po, we have Out Cebu and Out Manila. For Out Cebu po, we use Eva Air and of course, Starlux po. For the down payment po for Out Cebu, Taiwan, the required down payment is 2,250 USD. Same with the other packages po, ang tipping fee natin po is 5 USD per day. And for the single supplement po, it costs 129 USD. For the TA commission po, is 70 USD per pax po yun. So, for this package po, depende po din po siya. Meron po tayong rate for normal days and for the peak seasons po. So, lahat po ng details po ng rate for the single supplement, for the tipping fee, and rate for the child without bed, and of course for infants, naka-indicate na po siya sa detailed itinerary po natin.
And for Taiwan, the visa is still free.
Yes.
Because I have the government friend in Taiwan, I call him. They will continue the visa free for Filipino passport holder. Yeah, so you still can continue to stay. No worry about it. Yeah. Okay. Now take a break. Lunchtime. Thank you.